Good morning, welcome to the Cool Surf Guy channel. We are about to hit the road. Another epic surf adventure down to San O. Got really lucky. Check out the surf report. It's insane this week. It's Labor Day week, and it's gonna be crazy this week and stuff. Hopefully, right? I got lucky, scored the Beach Cottages out in that area. We're gonna load everything up and we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna be joined by my friend Robin, who have you guys seen in other vlogs before. We travel a lot together for surf adventures and stuff. And my boy Alex and Tom, they already sat out. They couldn't wait. They left 2 days ago and has been updating me on the surf, and they say it's been insane out there. So I'm super stoked. Can't wait to get out there. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog this week, and if you guys do, hit the subscribe button and let's just go from there. It's gonna be awesome. Woo! Oh, it's been 9 to 10 hours on the road, but we are here, back at it again. San Onofre Beach Cottages out in Camp Hamilton. Cool thing is, this time I'm not doing this trip alone. I got friends. I have friends, people. I have friends. So here we go. Alex, Tom, Matt, and Robin. Woo. Old man's is going off again. See that peak way on the outside? Wow, it's crazy. Oh, it's a good guy, oh wow, dude. There you go. There you go. Watch your rat. You get one? No? No? Go up? No, not yet. It's been kind of like come on, get me away. Let's go. Water so warm, it's stupid. I don't know why I'm wearing a wetsuit. My camera's bugging out. I get like 12-second footages if it cuts off. Battery says it's 50%, but I don't know what it is. It's pissing me off. Can't get any good footage for you guys. Oh yeah, we're up to the air side. Alex is way over there. I see him. Oh, look at that view right there. Oh, for the waiting. Took me the whole freaking day, but I finally got one, but it doesn't count because I never recorded because my camera went dead and stuff. All right, have a good night. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, good morning. It's been forever since I've done an early session like this. Sun's not even out yet. Well, sun's out, but it's like 6 in the morning. Oh, look at that. Coming in. We're about to hit it. Woo. Ah, let's go. These rocks are so treacherous. Oh, the water's so warm. It's not bad. Not as cold as it was. Oh, it's a little bit colder than yesterday, My shoulder's a little sore from yesterday. Yeah. Oh, there goes Alex. Oh. Oh no. Good morning, day 3 of this epic surf trip. I'm having the worst luck right now when it comes to catching waves. Spent all day yesterday, couldn't catch anything. Trying to figure things out, but the issue now is that swell that hit, it's gone. It went from like 4 to 6 foot conditions yesterday to like 1 to maybe 3. So I'm still gonna get out there, try to sit it. Hopefully gotta catch some good waves for you guys, but it's not looking too good today. Woo, it's coming in. This is fun. Yeah. What's up, Robin? No? No, Yeah, Robbie. Go for it, go for it, go for it. Oh, no, too late. Too late. Oh, we just had a little bit of a scare. There was a bird. Something came up from underneath it and they kind of tagged it. Bird got away, but it was a big and silvery color. Don't want to say what it is, but we all kind of know what it is. Woo. Oh, man. Oh shit. Oh, my foot. I'm done for now. Whew. All right, Robin. Let me see you do it. Come on. Just
don't put it on your vlog, please. Stop. Why are we never opening beer before?
From the top. From the top.
From the top? So how do you do this? Oh, like that?
Other way. No.
This way?
That's definitely making that vlog. That looks good. That's the ball, dude. How we roll. Boards on boards. Oh, there's like nothing left out there.